Follow him. Pick him up. Oh, wow. And there's more. Look, there's the next one. Is there another one? Pick it up. Oh, wow. Wow. Pick him up. No, it's not birthday, it's Easter. Yeah, there's the next one. You want to pick him up? Where's the big ones? What do you got? Did Easter Bunny leave you some presents?
You missed a couple, baby.
You want to pick them ones up?
Pick these ones up.
Oh, wow. Oh, look. The trail keeps going. Go have a look. Follow it. Where's the trail go? What is it? And there's what? Then there's Easter. Wow, take them out. And say, oh yes. Oh, yummy. Is it nice? Is it? And there, Easter. Wow. You got lots of chocolate.
Mommy? Wow. Are you going to pick them up?
Does the Easter Bunny leave presents? Wow. Is that train with Easter eggs? Is it?
Daddy's raw.
Right.
Daddy's raw.
No, it's a big smiley one. Ah. Okay. Gonna give the Easter Bunny a kiss, say thank you.